Mugambithania munene uria nowe rais wa koti nene Lady Justice Martha Koome tukianarwa nethiritwe agichietia kwithirwa akigika na kuruira kioto kia mwana wa mwari akiaria NTEERE cia skuru yari ya CHUKA na aria athomagira CJ Nkuruki nethiritwe akiuga BARA BAKWINYANGIA na BAARI kiwendo bakethirwo bagitrimana na watho anene nitora tugutarirwa ni Samuel Gaishima.
Kĩrĩndiunga yake imunthi mugambithania munene Martha Koome ambite kwaraniria na aruti wĩra ndeni ya koti ya CHUKA acoka araniria na arimo amwe na aritwa bacukuru ya nthaka ya CHUKA na nyumani aigua ari mugeni wa gitijo kia thoni ya cukuru ya secondary ya CHUKA gya kwenjana biegwa kiri aritwa barabaruthire bwega igerioni bia mwanka muthiru akiaria kia thoni Koome augite ati ukurukira utongoria bwake agatigira ati haki cia kaana KAARI ikumenyerwa ariuga gukurukira mubango ura aruguritie ruarua antu bara bakawatikana na mabitia makwinyangia kiwendo ana BAARI bagaikirithwa NTHAAO na njira ya kwaniko mtandaoni kenda antu bakuthukaga kurutha mabitia tamamu.
There's this cry around woye boy child, we are leaving boy child around. So I've been listening and asking, what is the problem of the boy child? The boy child doesn't get pregnant and leave school. The boy child will not be ready to have an marriage so that bride price can be paid and so that the family can have livestock. We are putting a lot of emphasis on the girls to make sure that all these hindrances, all these obstacles that come on the way of the girl are eliminated in our society. You saw me the other day launch an electronic register to register all the convicted sexual offenders so that they can go online and we can see them. We can see those ones who are disturbing our girls and boys.
Akiaria kia thoni ku gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki na muritie akaragate kugite gambari konie utumiri bwa kigina nyuma ya koti nene kurugamia utumiri bwakyo Senator Mwendagataja akithetagira budget yenu.
Is it now that you've come at a time when you are supposed to set up a three judge bench? We ask you to do it expeditiously or in the shortest time possible, so that we can be heard as fast as possible, so that the winners can have their day and the losers can have their tears on the same day, so that the country can go forward.
You know, hatuwezi kujenga nchi kwa misingi ya mandeni. This Finance Act is a critical tool and the project means well for this country. Hatuwezi every time we want money for the school tunakimbia kwa wazungu. We must generate our own money. Right? Tutafinyika tu kidogo mwaka moja mwaka mbili, but I'm very sure tutasimama kindete kama inchi.
Mubunge wa gĩcigo kĩa Tharaka George Gitonga Murugara na chokereti Koome nkatho nuntu bwa kibakoti ya marimanti burabuthiĩte mbere akimurombaga apejane mbia cia gwaka koti ndeni ya gĩcigo kĩa Mara kĩra ikioga kindeni ya kaunti no gĩtarĩ na koti.
Chief Justice, when I came to your place, you actually undertook to renovate for us the Maribant law courts. The contractor is on site. I am extremely proud about that. We have Mara here in Chogoria. They do not have a law court. As the chairman of the Justice and Legal Affairs, and you as my Chief Justice, I'll be coming to you. We lay down the plans to see to it that Mara 2, which is Chogoria, Keganguru, they are able to get a law court.
As the county of Tharaka Nithi or the government, we are willing to give you land in Mara constituency in Chogoria. We have already given you land in Kadwana to build a high court, and be very happy for you when you finish that court in Marimanti, so that we can have back our social hall that we have given you to use as a court in the meantime.
Kiathoni giki Koome na pejanite Wiirane Bwa Minister wa Kithomo Ezekiel Machogu bwa kwejana mbia cia kwagirithia miako ya cukuru ino.
We have a shortage of teachers. We have engaged a few on BOM terms. We also have a big challenge in infrastructure, my lady.
I had invited specifically the CS the Honorable Mashogu, to be with us today. He sent me a very passionate letter of apology, and the Ministry of Education has pledged to support CHUKA girls with Kenya shillings 10 million towards your infrastructure improvement.
Nkiripotera Wero Njuma kuma gĩcigo bunge ya CHUKA Igamba Ng'ombe, Mbita wa Samuel Geshima.